Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I am a PhD student in the field of biology. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing different retinol serum and different types of retinol serums that are useful for treating the hyperpigmentation mark, also reducing the signs of aging. So let's know what does a retinol mean. So retinol is a type of vitamin A. So all the types of retinol, whether it be retinaldehyde, retinoid, retinol, are different types of vitamin A. And these are also known as beta carotene. So different types of retinol are actually fat-soluble vitamin when it comes to the vitamin A family. Its role is very crucial in vision development and also for the cell turnover and maintenance of the cell. So basically, retinol has been incorporated into the skincare when the cell turnover has been reduced and there is a lot of signs of aging. So that is when the retinol comes into the picture. So there are different types of retinol which are being prescribed by the doctors. So these vitamin A are actually the Tretinoin, Adapalene. So these are really high in percentage and also they are very effective on treating different types of skin problems. Basically, retinol should be administered in smaller doses. If you administer it in higher doses, so it can lead to drying of the skin and also cause allergic reaction or else irritation. Lesser percentage of retinol is given to the skin of color and a bit higher percentage is given to the Caucasian skin type. Skin of color is more sensitive and easily being triggered as compared to the Caucasian skin. So in skin of color, we have larger melanocytes which produces the pigment melanin, and this melanin production gives us the appearance of a darker skin. If you have incorporated a higher amount of retinol into your skincare and if you're a skin of color person, then what happens is that your melanocyte gets triggered and it starts to produce more melanin, leading to hyperpigmentation or blemish on your skin. So accurate doses is very necessary to be incorporated for skin of color. Most of the serums that I have mentioned in this video are easily accessible on the counter, but there are few tubes that you cannot get it on the counter. You need prescription for that. Alright, now I'm gonna be presenting best retinol serums. So the first serum that I absolutely love is from the Ordinary brand and it is in 0.2%. It's a very less percentage and it is really effective. So retinol is alcohol, and when you are applying alcohol, so your skin can easily get triggered. So you need to start with a very lesser percentage and that is 0.2%. The thing about this formulation I really like is that there is squalene in it, and squalene is like an emollient which is helping your skin to retain the moisture and not have dryness. So the formulation is pretty simple, perfect, fragrance-free, and no comedogenic ingredients. So it's perfect for any skin type out there. The next serum is also from the Ordinary brand, that is Grandactive Retinoid 5%. So retinol was alcohol. So retinoid is a different type of vitamin A which can be easily absorbed by the skin, and it helps in the cell turnover and also reducing the uneven skin tone. Again, this is formulated with squalene, so it will not lead to dryness of the skin. So the next serum that I'm going to be talking about is from Avène, that is RetrinAL 0.1% intensive cream. So this serum is just amazing. I was going through the research of this serum and I saw that they have done the testing on 150 females and they did see reduction of signs of aging. And also you can use it near the eye area. One thing about the skin vitamin A serums is that you cannot use it near the eye area because it can lead to dryness and also can cause allergic reaction over there because the skin over there is very thin. But with this cream, RetrinAL 0.1 intensive cream, you can also apply it near the eye area and it also shows reduction in the crow's feet. So this area is known as crow's feet and you do have like fine lines over here. This serum is absolutely amazing if your concern is signs of aging and also hyperpigmentation. Now I'm going to be talking about the Indian brand, that is the Be Minimalist 0.3 retinol serum, and it is like a mix of Ordinary and the Paula's Choice, and it is with squalene as well as bok choy oil. See, I don't want to get into the controversy where we are talking like, oh, they copied Ordinary or they copied Paula's Choice. So it's just the serum is really good. It is accessible in India. You can buy it. It's cheaper option. And usually the retinol serums are very expensive, but if you're seeing at the price point, it's a very cheaper option. It is really to the point and the formulation is just perfect. One more thing about retinol is that I don't like to use more than 0.5%. I like to keep it like less than that percentage. It is because we are skin of color people, and there is a possibility that that can trigger the melanocytes and can produce more hyperpigmentation. Your concern is to treat hyperpigmentation, but you end up using more percentage of retinol and lead to more hyperpigmentation on your skin, which you really don't want to do. So using lesser percentage is fine. Less is more. You don't have to go for more higher concentration and lead to more skin allergy as well as more hyperpigmentation. Now, I cannot end this video without talking about my favorite serum from CeraVe, which is the resurfacing retinol serum. It is absolutely the best serum. I love it. I love CeraVe serums because it has different ceramides in it, and also it has niacinamide in the serum, which can be really good option if you want some active ingredients which can also help you with the signs of aging. So I would recommend this CeraVe serum for the people who have the post acne marks, which is like scars, and you want something that can actually treat it. So this serum is really good, but don't expect results just instantly after using for a month. You need to be persistent and you need to use for good 4 to 5 months, and that is when you're gonna see some difference. This is the same with all the serums out there. It's not like you just go to the shop, you buy the serum and then you use it for a month and you want to see the difference. It's not like that. Even for the powerful retinoids or retinols, it takes time. It takes at least 3 to 4 months to show some results on your skin. The next thing that I'm going to be talking about is the Differin gel, and I personally use it, and this is really good for people who have acne problem, who want to reduce their blemish scars on their skin, and also want to increase their cell turnover to have flawless skin. I have made a video on this Differin gel. If you really want to check it out, make sure that you click on the link in the description and you would know what is Adapalene and Differin gel and how does it actually work. You can incorporate Adapalene into your skincare by doing just simple steps, that is cleansing your face, then applying your moisturizer, and then taking a pea-sized amount of Adapalene and just putting a thin film all over your face, avoiding your eye areas. The next thing that I'm going to be talking about is the Tretinoin. So Tretinoin is a prescription drug. You just cannot get it just like that because it's a very powerful active ingredient. So you have to apply it in a pea-sized amount, and for the skin of color people, you need to use 0.025% of Tretinoin, and if you have a Caucasian skin, use 0.05% of Tretinoin. You need to apply Tretinoin exactly the same way as I mentioned for Adapalene, cleansing your face, moisturizer, and just a pea-sized amount of Tretinoin, and apply it all over your face, and also whatever is the remaining, just gently pat it on the eye area. Tretinoin is a very powerful ingredient. It will show results, but also it leads to drying of your skin, so that is also a concern. If you are new to use Tretinoin, then make sure that you use it once a week, and then after a month of incorporating this Tretinoin into your skincare, then switch to every 3 days. And after 2 to 3 months, then you can lead to like everyday use of Tretinoin. You just cannot use it every day because you will see that your skin becomes really dry, it becomes really irritated. So you need to take care of that because Tretinoin is a very powerful ingredient. I got these higher percentage of retinol just by using my medical certification because I'm a researcher and I can get access to that. But if you are a normal person and if you really need a retinol in your skincare routine, that to a higher amount of retinol, that is Adapalene or Tretinoin, then you have to have a prescription to apply it or else to even get it. Using Adapalene has shown much better results to me than using the counter skincare drugs, that is like retinol 0.3% and retinaldehyde. For me, Adapalene does a very good job. and Tretinoin would also do the same if I have any signs of aging on my skin. So use Adapalene rather than other drugs, and if you really want any retinol into your skincare routine, make sure that you go to your doctor or dermatologist and tell that you really want it, and they will definitely prescribe it for you. One more note is that retinol cannot be used in the morning time. You need to use retinol at the night time. If you have seen my videos, I always keep talking about wearing sunscreen in the morning time, which is 50 and plus, because you don't want to trigger any of your cells and lead to sunspot or hyperpigmentation, because UV rays of the sun can actually trigger your melanocytes on your skin. So there are two types of UV rays, that is UVA and UVB. So you want to be careful with both of those, and you need to have a sunscreen with titanium dioxide and also zinc oxide, which can create a shield on your skin and help you from the rays of the sun. So that is it for the video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye.